Question number 2 from the book, yearly November 2001, paper 1, question number 8. The question says, a precious metal is extracted from a mine in the first year of the operation. In the first year of the operation, 2000 kg of metal was extracted. In each succeeding years, the amount extracted was 90% of the previous year's amount. That means it is clearly mentioned that this 2000 is basically your first value. This 90% is your ratio. So that means R should be 0.9. R should be 0.9. Find the amount of the metal extracted in the 10th year of operation. That means the examiner wants us to find out the term value of T10. The question is based upon GP, which means T10 should be AR to the power 9, where we already know that A is 2000, R is 0.9 to the power 9. So T10, the value for this is 74.84, which means this can be written as 775. This is the answer for your first part. Second part, the total amount of metal extracted in the first 20. Total, whenever the word total is used, that means we need sum. And R is less than 1. R is less than 1. First 20 years, that means sum of 20 years is required. For part 2, sum of 20 years is required. Since R is less than 1, so Sn is equal to A 1 minus R to the power n upon 1 minus R, where you already know that your values are for 20, A is 2000, 1 minus 0.9, 1 minus 0.9 to the power 20 upon 1 minus 0.9. So the sum of 20 years is, you need to use calculator to find the answer for this. Sum of 20 years will be 17568.466. So that means this should be 17600. Kindly confirm the answer. 17600 will be the answer. Please remember, you need to write down the original answer and then change it to the 3 significant place answer. Then the question says the total amount of metal that would be extracted over a very long period of time. Whenever it says very long, that means you do not know the number of years. And when you do not know the number of years and the question is based on R less than 1, that means the question is talking about sum of infinity. So sum of infinity will be A upon 1 minus R, where you know that sum of infinity is equal to 2000 upon 1 minus 0.9. So sum of infinity is 20,000. So this was question from November 2001, paper 1, question number 8 from the topic ABGP.